Hi, and welcome to this video demonstration on how to prepare and install a linear strain gauge. In this video, for demonstration purposes, we are installing an open-faced linear strain gauge. We will start with a list of items which we recommend you will need to complete an installation of a strain gauge. Strain gauges, scissor clamp, mylar tape, bondable terminals, round nose tweezers, Teflon tape, fiber tip pen, lead wires and jumper wires, an adhesive kit containing conditioner, neutralizer, rosin solvent, solvent cleaner, hardener and resin. You will also need the following. Preparation. The first step of the strain gauge bonding process is to prepare the appropriate surface to which the strain gauge will be applied. Positioning. Working to a drawing, the position of the strain gauge is located on the test piece. Paint removal. The area where the paint needs to be removed needs to be defined and is marked out using masking tape strips. Using the scissor clamp, rub down the marked surface area with 240 grade abrasive sheet. 400 grade abrasive sheet provides the required finish. Degreasing. Use a cotton bud to apply the solvent cleaner to the prepared surface area until clean. Location. The strain gauge and bondable terminals should be aligned and attached to the adhesive-backed mylar tape. At all times when handling the gauge, use the round nose tweezers, avoiding making contact with the strain gauge grid pattern. Alignment marks are then drawn onto the top of the mylar tape to assist with final positioning. Surface preparation. Conditioner is applied using cotton buds to key the surface to ensure good adhesion. The surface should be kept constantly wet until the tip of the cotton bud is no longer discolored. Then apply the neutralizer liberally to the surface with a clean cotton bud to remove all traces of conditioner. Once complete, we recommend that the strain gauge is applied within 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the substrate material. Handling of gauge. Start by peeling back the mylar tape, ensuring that you don't bend or crease the strain gauges. Then apply the adhesive to the back of the strain gauge and bondable terminal. Use the Teflon tape to smoothly lay the strain gauge to the surface. This creates a thin glue line with no air bubbles. Before clamping, apply a layer of Teflon tape, a sheet of silicone rubber and a metal plate to ensure even pressure across the area. Once clamped, cure by applying heat. It is important to check the glue manufacturer's instructions for curing times. Once you have unclamped the unit, carefully peel back the mylar tape directly over itself. Installation. Cut a piece of masking tape to size and place over the strain gauge grid to protect, leaving the strain gauge terminals exposed. Also, place a thin piece of masking tape across the bondable terminals. Using the fiber pen, clean the bondable and strain gauge terminals. Next, apply flux paste ready for soldering. Solder the jumper wires between the bondable terminals and the strain gauge. And solder the lead wires to the remaining bondable terminal pads. Apply araldite to the lead wires to secure in place and avoid detachment from the bond terminals. Using rosin solvent, dampen the masking tape before peeling it off with the tweezers. Then apply further rosin solvent to remove any excess flux paste. Once dry, apply protective coating to protect the installation. And there you have it, a securely bonded strain gauge ready for your stress analysis application. Thanks for watching.